Hi everyone, my name is Marudhamaran Gunasekaran and welcome to my course Writing Custom Scripts for OWASP Zed Attack Proxy. I'm a security consultant and a DevSecOps lead at Devon, part of the VADA Awareness Group. I contribute to the OWASP Zap project through various means, including the OWASP Zap.NET API. Security automation is a broad term used in the context of securing application delivery through DevOps. Automation means tools, and one of the most sought-out features of a security tool is extensibility, the ability to script and program mundane yet essential security testing activities to perform quick security assessments using reusable tests. In this course, we're going to look at the scripting capabilities of one of the most used open-source security tool, OWASP Zed Attack Proxy. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include automated tampering of web traffic, identifying vulnerabilities specific to your application's context, scripting complicated authentication scenarios to help you with automated vulnerability assessments, and generating custom payloads for your fuzzing operations, and regressing security vulnerabilities to guard against a security bug coming up again. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation to perform some of the DevSecOps activities to strengthen the security of your web applications and APIs. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of web application security testing and comfortable with using OWASP Zap through the graphical user interface. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn security scripting with writing custom scripts for OWASP Zed Attack Proxy course at Pluralsight.